General Digital Software Services has all the right experience in languages, operating systems, and tools to ensure the success of your next project. Our tenured staff have verified and developed some of the most advanced systems in the industry today. We are dedicated professionals with an intense desire to develop and test software to the highest standards.
For over 40 years, General Digital Software Services has offered full lifecycle software development. Software development through testing is done right here at our facility in South Windsor, Connecticut. The development is done to standards such as IEC 62304 for medical and avionics DO 178. The testing, independent verification and validation, is done to these standards, and doing it all in-house is very efficient and cost-effective.
Whether it be critical testing systems in avionics or medical fields, let General Digital's experienced staff provide the independent assessments necessary to obtain complete and accurate high-quality software requirements.